everyone. This is Vidyatni Madan of grade 8 studying in Vela Malvodi campus, Erode. 3 December is International Day of Persons with Disabilities, IDPD. On this day, WHO joined partners to celebrate our Day for All. This theme reflects a growing understanding that disability is part of human condition. Almost everyone will be temporarily or permanently impaired at some point of life. Despite this, few countries have adequate mechanisms in place to respond fully to the needs of people with disabilities. WHO estimates that more than 1 billion people, about 15% of world population, experiences from a disability. This figure is predicted to rise given population aging and the increasing of prevalence of non-communicable disease. While disability correlates with disadvantage, not all people with disabilities are equally disadvantaged. Much depends on the context which they live and whether or not have equal access to health, education, employment, among others. In 2017, WHO made a headway of number of initiatives with her further implementation of the recommendations to the landmark World Report on Disability and the WHO Global Disability Action Plan 2014 to 2021. In February 2020, through a global gathering of rehabilitation experts entitled Rehabilitation 2030, WHO garnered a commitment of participants to help governments build a comprehensive service delivery models, develop a strong multidisciplinary workforce, expand financing mechanisms, and enhance health information systems, all in an attempt to meet the ever-increasing demand of rehabilitation services. In addition, WHO also supported nationwide implementation of the Model Disability Survey MDS in countries such as Philippines and Qatar, as well as Balochistan, Pakistan, and in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is hoped that the survey results from those settings will lead to positive change, as they have, for example, in Chile, which is the revised policy of law related to mental health, employment, and transformed based on MDS finding. Other recent efforts include WHO serving as chair of the Interagency Support Group of the Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, coordinating development of a chapter on health within the UN's flagship report on disability, and conducting a global stakeholder mapping of community-based rehabilitation initiatives around the world. 2020 theme for IDPWD. Not all disabilities are visible. On December 3 this year, during the annual celebration of people with disabilities, the 2020 theme, Not All Disabilities Are Visible, also focuses on spreading awareness and understanding of disability that are not immediately apparent, such as mental illness, chronic pain, or fatigue. Sight of hearing impairments, diabetes, brain injuries, neurological disorder, learning difference, and cognitive time functions, among others. According to WHO World Report on Disability, 15% of the world population, or more than 1 billion people, are living with disability, as I said before. It is estimated 50 million are living with a mental or neurological condition, or 2/3 of these people will not seek professional medical help, largely due to stigma, discrimination, and neglect. Other 69 million individuals are estimated to sustain traumatic brain injuries each year worldwide, while 1 in 160 children are identified as autism spectrum. These are just some examples of the millions of people currently living with disability that is not immediately apparent, and a reminder for the importance of removing barriers from all people living with disability, both visible and invisible. During the COVID-19 pandemic, isolation, disconnect, disrupted routines, and diminished services have greatly impacted their lives and mental well-being of people with disabilities right around the world, spreading awareness of invisible disabilities as well as these potentially detrimental and not always immediately apparent impacts on mental health. It's crucial as the world continues to fight against the virus. Thank you.